Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monster Day. I'm in my garage and I'm in Pennsylvania and the weather is a whopping like 20 degrees here in the garage right now. Last time I did a video I had my heater on, propane tank heater, and all you heard was that hissing. As much as I tried to edit that sound out, it just didn't work and it was just annoying throughout. So I was able to redo it and it cut only a little bit of out. So I got just a regular little heater on, so we're gonna get through this. So today we're gonna do a little bit of restoration of your leather vest, leather jacket, anything you may wear. So we'll get right to it. I got my layout. So I have my vest, obviously. I'm not sure how good you're gonna see how bad it's a little bit sun dried and everything. So today you want to start out with, want to get some gloves on. Okay, first thing, you don't want to get anything on the hands. This stuff could stick. Really start scrubbing. I know some people don't like to use gloves. This is what I got. I got these blue gloves. I ran out of my black mechanics gloves, so we're going to deal with this. So you want to have some microfiber cloths. I already cleaned the jacket fully. This is just vinegar and water. It's very good for cleaning off the jacket and getting any dirt. It brings the dirt up off the jacket and wipes it out as much as we can. Just a couple rags. I like to use a sponge. So we are going to use Leather Color Restorer. Okay. And after we restore this, you got a little brush. If this doesn't work, I got another sponge there. We're going to use the all leather conditioner. So guys, as I'm getting this set up, if you can, like and subscribe my channel. I hope you like the content and hope you could come back and learn a little bit more from me. Okay, so what I like to do is just put it on here, and what we're gonna do is dab little spots. You really want to work it in there. Okay, a little bit goes a long way, so don't spend one time on one little spot. We want to really make sure we work it in there. Yeah, this is a color and a restorative, so you know you could spread it out pretty good, and I think it's going to come out pretty good. We're just going to do the one side of the vest. I'm going to show you how it came out. So in the comments below, tell me what you think. What do you use? Your best practices. What do you use to do your vest? And we'll go from there. So you could see how the color's starting to really come in again. I'm going to use about 2 coats on this and see how it comes out. You know, I don't want to bore you with watching this whole process and whole time, but we'll get to it. I really like how this is starting to come out. You know, a vest that you might have thought that you were gonna either throw out or get a new one and do. I really like how the color's starting to come out. This is working really good. Just to let you know, I actually got this off Amazon. It was from a friend, and it's a Leather Color Restorer. I'll put it link in the bio in case you want to get it. You want to work all the grooves. And the other thing I want to say is, if you never used this before, try a inconspicuous spot that you're not going to see. Try it, see how it looks, and then go from there. Whatever bikes and whatever leathers you want, that's all good. You know, my personal preference is Harley Davidson, but I also have a Honda Rebel 300 in here, teaching people how to ride on it as I drop stuff all over the place. That's how things go when you're in the garage just trying to get some work done, right? Oh yeah, this is coming out really good, guys. I really like how it's starting to come out. Okay, I didn't think it was gonna come out this good. It's coming out a lot better than expected. I've done vests before, but I'm gonna show you the comparison next to each other. Wow, can you see that right there? You see how black that vest is coming? It looks great. I like how it's coming out, and your vest will too. Just spend a little time, take patience, and slowly do it. So got one side done. And if you can see the tremendous difference, I don't know how much of a difference you're gonna see, but it looks great. This is a buffalo vest. I actually got this at a rally. It's held up pretty good to all the patches that I have. You can see the patch on the thumbnail. I had to cover up a little something, little finger sticking up. You know, I want to try to make this as PG as possible. All right, so we're gonna finish up this other side. Now, tell me your best practices again, you know? Tell me what you think. Tell me if you think I'm doing something wrong or something better out there. To me, this is the best thing I've found to really work without having to sit there and spend hours on reconditioning a vest. Nobody really wants to do that, but you know, our motorcycles cost money. Our vests cost money. Parts cost money. You know that old saying, give a kid a motorcycle who have no money for drugs. 100% true. You just go find it somewhere. But let's hope not. All right, that looks good. Trust me, I'm not condoning any drugs for anybody. Me personally, never did any. Not into that whole scene. Drink, of course, once in a while. Like to have my beer. Right now, I'm in the garage and I'm drinking my Monster. You know, we all do stuff that's not necessarily good for us all the time. Everybody has a vice. Maybe throw out there what your favorite Monster is and what your vice is. Oh, this is coming out great, guys. This is coming out a lot better than I thought it would. If you could just look from this side to where the American flag is, holy mackerel, look at the difference there. This looks beautiful. You know, I think after we do the leather restoration, we get everything in, and I might not even need everything I thought I would be. So, like I said in the beginning, I didn't show that part, but all I did is a little bit of vinegar and water, really lifted up all the dirt on the vest and grime from the highway, and it came out really, really, really good. And now, after I let that dry a little bit, I used a little bit of microfiber cloth. Oh, there, look at that. Used a little bit of microfiber cloth. It brought up all the dirt. What we're gonna do is gonna let this dry. You tell me, what do you think? I think it came out pretty good. All right, so now this is a leather conditioner. This one's by Lexol. By no means do they pay me to do this, but I found that I didn't like the initial, but I do like the conditioner they have. It really soaks in, and if you just look, I'm using just a regular sponge and really working that oil in. You know, you gotta use a little elbow grease here. Again, there's no dirt coming up because we already took care of that. We're just conditioning the leather now. We're just trying to work it in, really get that nice lather so we don't get all that sun fading anymore. You know, we have it on our bikes. You know, it is what it is. The sun is very strong. It's a terrible thing. Now, what do you think? I think I like how that turned out. Looks a lot better. You tell me in the comments. And until next time, ride on.